So hello boys and girls, I am so excited to do this video for you. This is actually my first video and I know it's Monday morning and I know you guys are so excited to be here with me and I'm so excited to be here with you. I miss you guys so much. I really wish we could be in class. It's my first time to hear background noise, if people coming in and out, it's okay. I got this. Okay, so let me try this. It feels different. It feels a little weird, but you know what? We can all do this. So our topic for today is how we're going to relate fractions to decimals and to percents. So exactly like we did in class, we're going to ask the question, what is our learning target for today? Well, sorry, that was my daughter Amelia, and of course Sebastian probably running around. I'm doing my first video and you're doing that. I see, this is what I mean. Let me stop. Okay. The learning target is, I can show the relationship between fractions, decimals, and percents. Okay, so that's Amelia opening her door. The standards in this video are 6RPA.3 and 6RPA.3C. Okay, so this is going to be the part of the mini lesson that I'm going to do for you. Okay, the part of the mini lesson I want to do for you is actually going to be streamed on here, but I have to figure out how to do that. So I'm going to show you how to, Amelia, I'm trying to ask my daughter how to do this, but she already left me. So, okay, I can figure this out.
Maybe I can.
Sebastian, can you stop, please? Oh, there we go. I want to use the whiteboard. So I'm going to share with the whiteboard. And there we go. So I want to make this nice and sweet. So I'm just going to type in here the learning target. Who remembers what is the learning target? Okay, I hear some of you telling me, so I think you're saying I can, and I'm looking yes here, show the relationship between fractions, decimals, and percents. Okay, so I'm going to leave the learning target up here. So that's the learning target for today. So when you go on today to Khan Academy, you're going to watch another video. I thought it would be a good idea if you guys can actually see me and then watch the other video. So when you do the exercises, you're going to be like perfectionists. Okay, so I want to make this nice and sweet. So what I'm going to do, the first thing is I wanted to show you is how to turn, and I have to figure out how to draw on here. So I'm going to go to drawing. Can you guys see this? Okay, perfect. So I want to make this into 10 bars. So what I'm going to do is actually try to make a skinnier line. And if I go 1, 2, 3, how many lines do we have to draw to get 10? Exactly 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, this looks wonderful. So now altogether we have 10 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to shade. That part of shading does not work. I'm going to try to shade at least like 4 of them. So I'm going to, please don't do that to me. Why you open? You see, there goes Sebastian. One video, I cannot even record, but at least I'm trying, right? Okay, guys, this is what happens when you have kids in the house. Emilka, it's cold. Okay, so you see now it's cold. I want to shade this, but I don't know how to shade. So I'm trying to figure out how to shade. Maybe Amelia can help me. Or make a different color of this. Amelia, do you know how to shade this? Amelia, please help me. So there goes Amelia. She's going to help me try to shade. Please, I just wanted to shade 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. She's trying to help me. I tried doing that too. So this is, please guys, forgive me. This is like our first video. We're trying to figure this. Oh, I see different colors right there. Ooh, you guys like, oh, yeah, only 3. Just shade 3. Perfect. So we have 3 shaded. Guys, next time, I know about my, I don't know what you call that, fraction bar. It looks beautiful. Anyway, so which part is shaded? So we want to look at the fraction, decimal, and percent. So how many of you know what part is shaded? And you are absolutely correct. 3/10, oh, we don't want to make this big, is shaded. Why? Because 1, 2, 3. 3 is our numerator. And the 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, perfect, is our denominator. So 3/10 is shaded. Now we want to turn this 3/10 into a decimal. So how do we do that? Well, very simple. We know that this can be out of 100. If my denominator is 100, what did I multiply to get 100? Well, I multiply by 10. Whatever I do at the bottom, I have to do on the top. 10 times what is 110? So 3 times 10 is 30. Now remember, boys and girls, when you have 30 over 100, we know that 30 is the percent, 30%. Because remember, percent, we always say it's out of 100. Another way that you can do this is to say 3/10. Well, how do I write 3/10? Well, you can write 3/10 as 0.3, okay? And then you can look at your decimal point, and we move our decimal point how many spaces to the right? 2 spaces to the right, correct. And then we just add a 0, good. And then we just put a percent sign. So not only did we make a decimal, 0.3, we turned the 0.3 into, that was my equal sign, 30%. Guys, I know this is my first video. It could be maybe a little bit confusing, crazy, but hey, we're getting there, right? All right. What I'm going to try to do right now is actually have a wonderful day and enjoy. Bye, everyone. I don't know how to stop this video. Amelia, maybe she can help me. Oh, she's coming to help me. Hold on 1 second. I promise you next videos are going to be much shorter. I don't know how to stop the recording of this video. Please help. You can trim it, you know, so like they don't see this. Oh, really? This is going to be excellent. Press stop share. Amelia, can you please watch this with me? Please? I want to post the whole thing. I think it's going to be so funny.
It's still not over.
What do you mean?
I can't. This always happens. Can you go back to the meeting? Because I can't.
Amelia, my heart is beating like this.
I can't use your computer for some reason, and we're not in the meeting. Go back. Okay.
Is it over?
No.
It wasn't over?
No.
Oh my God.